The MH-500 PLUS high-speed horizontal machining center from EDA has a radical new design and a full suite of upgrades that deliver a radically enhanced machining experience over other machines of this type. With the MH-500 PLUS, EDA has changed the whole structural design, utilizing a box-in-box structure with synchronized servo control more commonly found on very large machining centers. This new design allows the MH-500 PLUS to deliver the very rapid traversing and positioning clients now demand through the reduced spindle head weight and multi-axis design reconfiguration. With the spindle now centrally positioned, the MH-500 PLUS now has highly efficient chip flushing, with the chips flowing straight down to the base of the machine as they do in a typical lathe design, keeping them well away from the workpiece and avoiding contamination of machine parts. The MH-500 PLUS tool changer uses a radically different camshaft design, coupled with the spindle head, that permits concurrent movements of the spindle head and tool changer, rather than the slower sequential movements found on other machines. This delivers very rapid 1.9 second tool changes for super efficient machining cycles. The pallet changer design is now entirely servo-driven from below, as opposed to the older overhead hydraulic design. This provides much faster and more precise positioning and avoids the instability that can occur with older overhead hydraulic pallet changers. Additionally, the rotating tables on this model can achieve up to 50 RPM for faster machining options. On the base of the table, EDA also provides hydraulic connectors for workpiece clamping, so you won't need long connecting cables to clamp your workpieces. The MH-500 PLUS features a direct drive spindle design with through coolant and, as mentioned, is designed to be lighter for faster traverse movement. For enhanced positional accuracy, this model is equipped with optical scales from Heidenhain, and this is an option available for all customers on this machine. Faster machining cycles with the rapid traverse box-in-box structure, redesign high-speed ATC and vastly increased performance with a new fully servo-driven pallet changer. The MH-500 PLUS from EDA delivers a massive number of special features that industry customers demand and is a great choice for super efficient, high-precision machining.